Vanderlande offers a complete range of line and loop sorters to meet your individual needs. The optimum system depends on the different sizes, weight and type of products that are being handled. Other important factors to be considered are the required capacity and the size and the shape of the building. Let's take a closer look at line sorting solutions. So the question is, what is a line sorter? Imagine a linear conveyor with a single entry point capable of diverting parcels to either side of the machine. Items that are continued along this conveyor are seamlessly forwarded to the downstream conveyor, progressing through the next process step. Our POSISORTER, COMPAXORTER and steering wheel module are part of our line sorting technology solutions. So when is a line sorter the ideal choice? A line sorter is used to handle everything from small to regular parcels, regardless of the package material. Whether it's a lightweight 20-gram parcel or a substantial 50-kilogram package. The line sorter capabilities extend to a length of up to 1.5 meters. And why choose a line sorter? Besides its compact footprint, this technology offers a simple but yet powerful solution. Each sorter can handle up to an impressive 10,000 parcels per hour, streamlining your operations with ease. So what are the future developments in line sorting technology? The horizon promises even higher speeds, translating to increased capacity. We are also working on enhancing conveyability, ensuring that our solutions remain at the forefront of the industry.